Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 AMG GT. The Mercedes-Benz AMG GT can be summed up in 3 words: luxurious, fast, and agile. This vehicle is certain to turn plenty of heads and leave you begging for more time behind the wheel. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, premium wheels, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.